Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to Wezhira TV. This is the favorite program that we brought to you. We get to hear. This is the music hub. We get to hear music. We get to talk music. We get to bring the gift of music to you. We get to listen to the gift of the music to you. And today, he's my first guy that I have met, and his name is Thabo De Dawgie. So we are going to have a lot of fun. This is the music hub. Thabo De Dawgie has a lot of projects that he has been doing. He has a lot of things that he wants to do as well in the future. So we get to hear from him, we get to know, we get to listen, we get to watch his project that he's been done for the previous weeks and the previous days that he's been doing in the music industry. So Thabo, people would like to know, like, who is Thabo? Like they have this knowledge, like Tutum's say Thabo, they want to know your background. And if you can share with us.
Okay, so literally my actual name is Thabo Timban. I grew up in Manipulation, particularly Only Valley. So I'm a versatile musician, sure, but mainly I focus on Afro, hip hop, and dancehall.
Okay, you can sing dancehall, Afro, pop, and
yeah, I'm also into hip hop. Yeah,
okay. So Mbuba Only Valley, Wezhira,
yeah,
that's brilliant said. So what we are going to do, Thabo is got a new video that is called so I'm not sure to play. Which song should we start to play?
I think Goodbye.
So without taking time, guys, we are going straight to the video. This is called Goodbye, coming from your man Thabo De Dawgie. Listen to him. Let's hear what you think about Thabo. Let's hear what you think about his music and his music. Okay.
This is a Mankind production.
It's Thabo De Dawgie. Atimbumage. Goodbye. Kuchemani chadai, kusuwani chadai, pofatani chadai, nakuda kutelafi, itezwandi no dainini. Kuchemani chadai, kusuwani chadai, pofatani chadai, nakuda kutelafi, itezwandi no dai. Goodbye, kuchema goodbye, kusuwa goodbye, nabakubaya far away. Saka goodbye, kusuwa goodbye, povati goodbye, nabakubaya far away. Asaka nemone wata imbo tembo run, ukanisonga ni mabondi ni machan. Nguvu yangu ndi make a million, ndakuda kuataka ndakujinja formation zaka. Ndisi ye, nabakubaya far away. Goodbye, nabakubaya far away.
So there you heard it from the man himself, Thabo De Dawgie. Just watch a brilliant music that is coming from Masvingo. It's coming from Wezhira. So Mr. Thabo, and I do music, and like this video, the first time I watched it, I said, this guy can sing Afro pop, Manika element get dancehall. That's what we are saying, but you can also sing dancehall as well. And we have seen the fusion of dancehall in the song, in the video. So but then I would like to ask Guti, what really inspires you to write the song?
Alright. So yeah, in short, very recently in my cultural aspects, and really, I'm very proud of where I come from. I'm a Zimbabwean, and I'm proud of being a Zimbabwean. Saga like Panam, Pamanamba is a Lunga cheat, and Saga Panfana Ushuwa, so for a practice of the Zimbabwean. As you can see, with the everything is the same dance on Dotion really prominent. So like I thought you could generally with the diffuse and it doesn't dance to show what I'm going to be ground to come and use Zimbabwean.
Okay, so what's the like I'm saying, what's the inspiration behind Goodbye?
Saga Goodbye, literally Goodbye is Susema careers we are experiencing the true life reasons. So this song was designed and it to inspire to youth to like a chema child suwa child so I told her na ditika liga makitu yuza kato tola uchi utika mama society and ditika saka sema kitu yuza na chukuru zia makitu yuza ayo makitu yuza ngati ngati shart That was my message.
Okay, so you heard it from the men. And what we want, Thabo De Dawgie, I'm glad that we are a fan of Ole Train. It's coming from the same ground in which we are stepping on. So guys, I would like to play, this is the last video that we're going to play from the men, Thabo De Dawgie. And the video is called what?
Show me real love.
Show me real love. So I want you to ask, just want to ask you a few questions about show me some real love. What are my questions? You wanna be the lovable? What are you trying to portray to the people?
So show me real love. It's a personal song. Like I dated this girl, man. Like the funny things I hate is just some sort of
It's like you write the song out of in a situation that probably happened in your life, something that you know.
Usually I write the song, I compose the songs to inspire others, but to some extent, life may appreciate. But so those who inspire to write songs one born time somebody say show me you love, or so that this was a personal song. Like much less bad. Zununga chitika au mzima beso kutewana au tunaweza kushowana kusala na tida na chirara. That was the message. Like kana chingi dan tide ndizo ngazo ni kumunchida.
So I like it good. You are seeing the practical issues, the issues that we face on a daily basis, the issues that you bring into a script and into a video as well. So we are about to watch a video that we are asking the men where is it coming from. So I'm saying guys, show me some love. It's a nice song. It's a nice song. If you are that lovable, if you are that guy who would like to entice these ladies out there, this is the song for you. So we are going to play this song for you. And right now to your screen comes up. Show me some love from your man, Thabo De Dawgie.
Highway Entertainment.
Do you love me?
Yes, I do, Thabo.
I tried to call you for 1,000 times, but you didn't respond to my calls.
I was just busy.
I don't know what is wrong with our relationship.
Mommy, yes, I critics. Baby, you are too sad and I'm feeling like a coin. Side of a corner, you must have boss lay. Side of a corner, you must have boss lay. Take it, bang. We don't want it more. Tell me, say love, me, say me, a fuck your passion. Tell me, cause my heart is like that. Tell me, I wanna know how. There's no love without you on my side. Cannot deny the future is so bright. There's no love without you on my side.
Show me real love, oh.
Show me.
Baby, don't pretend.
Oh, show me.
Real love, oh.
Welcome there. This is the Music Hub, and you have just watched the video coming from your man Thabo De Dawgie, and it's called Show Me Some Love. Guys, we would like to support each other. Let's show this video some love out there. So, Mr. Thabo, I would like to know what are your future plans?
Yeah.
What can we expect as fans?
Yeah, basically Webshot the rapper from Ghana is on the radar. So I'm planning to do an R&B song with him. So I think that is the collab that is coming through soon. Then there's also this gospel song that I featured with Rick Lowe. He's a local artist, so I'm going to launch it soon. It's a single.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have it from the main, expect great things, and these are the singles that are coming your way, right from the main. That is the local content. That's what we do here. We promote, we exhibit, we let you know of the local content, what the local has in content of the local. So what we do, maybe people would like to know Mr. Thabo To Awana Papi, Mr. Thabo To say, like, how do we get in touch to Mr. Thabo To how do we contact Mr. Thabo? So you can just quickly tell us Twitter, where we can get you.
So on Instagram it's Thabo De Dawgie. So Thabo De Dawgie, that's ThaboDeDawgie. Then also I also have a Facebook page entitled Thabo De Dawgie. So you can contact me on Facebook. You can get my updates on Instagram. So on Instagram, Facebook.
So you have heard it, Masvingo Gavari, hands ndinobatika pa Instagram, wanobatika pa Facebook, wanobatika pa YouTube. Do you have a YouTube channel as well?
No, I haven't created a YouTube account yet, but like I use the Royal Media YouTube account.
Okay, so if you can achieve access to music and by YouTube, you can use the Royal Media YouTube channel to access the music. Again, the spelling is of dog is not the dog that you know, it's just D, it's not D-O-G, it's D-A-W-G. That's the dog that we are talking about, not the dog that you know.
Yeah,
so
like, I want to clarify on that. So a lot of things I would have on Facebook, like, yeah, my mom even asked me, do you know the dog? Are you a dog? So like, I got the inspiration from the wild savages, the wild dogs. You know, they are very resilient, they are very persistent. So I label myself as a persistent guy, as a resilient guy. So that is where I got the attributes from. Okay, so I'm a very resilient guy, I'm a very persistent guy in whatever I do. So
this is where the dog is coming.
The dog part comes from.
Okay, thank you guys for tuning in to Wezhira TV. This was the Music Hub. I am your host. My name is Reynold, and find me and find us as well on the same time, on the same note again. This is Wezhira TV. The Music Hub is the show not to miss. Thank you guys for tuning in. Till we meet again, guys.
Upenyu warima zese zotachaira zayenda kunze kakwidibira ndangarira zapera unozondira yere unozondira yere